Alright, scrappers and scrapperettes, welcome back to the channel. That's right, we got like 8% of yous out there are all scrapperettes. We appreciate all of you gals watching. Anyways, we got Linksys. 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 Yeah, am I saying that right? Linksys? Link system? Linksys? Link system, 8-port gigabyte switch. Yeah, there are some pretty big old plugs that go in there. So anyways, don't know what's in it. Looks like we got 3 screws there. Probably have to use one of these. One of these little screwdriver things here. And take those 3 screws out. 1, 2, that one feels like it's stripped or something. Why ain't that one wanting to come out of there? She's turning. It's turning. Should be coming out of there. It's not. Alright, well, we'll see if we can see if it'll come apart anyways. Huh. That'll be a gun of a son, huh? Or a son of a gun, something like that. Oh boy. I thought this was going to be such a short video that I was going to be able to use it as a short. Heh. Never fails. So there always wants to be a bummer. Really? Come on. Oh, look at there. Now it comes off. So that's just shred. This is just cord. We'll snip the end of this off of there. That off of there. This is what I do. I don't know if you have to or not, but I go like that. And then it's like a single wire. All right, let's see. Get this little board out of here. I don't know, let me know in the comments below, what would you guys consider this? Would you consider that a mid-grade board, or? I myself would consider it a mid-grade with them great big chips on there. But we'll yeah, I'd say or maybe a low-grade peripheral board. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. And make sure that you watch one more of the videos that's on screen right now.